Are you tired of seeing YouTube Shorts all over your feed? In this video, we'll guide you through removing YouTube Shorts from both the desktop site and the mobile app. Removing YouTube Shorts on desktop, open your preferred browser and navigate to youtube.com. Scroll down the homepage until you locate the Shorts section. Click on the X icon positioned on the right side of the Shorts section to hide it. This action will hide the Shorts self from a YouTube homepage for the next 30 days. Now moving to removing your Shorts on the mobile app. Launch the YouTube mobile app and scroll down to find the Shorts section, but sometimes it may be at top as well. Now tap the three dots located on the top right corner of any Shorts video thumbnail. From the menu that appears, select Not Interested. Repeat this step for each Shorts video in the section until none remains visible. Afterwards, Shorts will no longer appear on your YouTube's app home screen. This step will help temporarily hide YouTube Shorts, though there isn't currently a way to permanently remove this. If Shorts reappear in your feed, you may need to repeat these steps. Additionally, Shorts might still appear in your search results or your subscription feed. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more.